Are you looking for the best budget electric scooters for adults Reddit? In this video we will look at some of the best budget electric scooters for adults Reddit on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AONIU M4 Electric Scooter. An M4 electric scooter is equipped with 800W peak brushless motors which can reach a max speeds of around 28 miles per hour under specific conditions, easy to cross the slope. A high-capacity battery, our adult electric scooter offer an extended travel range of 31 miles under specific conditions. With a quick charging time of 4 to 5 hours, save time and money for you. High-strength aluminum alloy unibody frame, the aircraft-grade aluminum frame supports riders up to 330 pounds, ensuring stability and durability. Equipped 10-inch pneumatic tires, electric scooter guarantees an excellent riding with dual absorbers, easily cross the speed bump, effectively from city streets to dirt paths. Features warning taillight and bright headlight, you can ride safely at night. Dual braking system ensures a safe riding experience. Number 2. Gotrax GXL V2 Electric Scooter. The GXL V2 is the Gotrax's most classic, mature, and reliable model. The GXL V2 has a large console, long battery life, all-aluminum alloy frame, front headlight, and UL 2272 certification, safe and smooth to ride. Featuring a 36V5.2A long-life battery, this GXL V2 scooter can reach up to a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a max range of 12 miles under optimum conditions, with the cruise control system, bringing convenience to your riding. It requires no maintenance, no repair, anti-piercing, so you needn't worry about being punctured. The solid tire has more cushion and provides a more comfortable ride than the traditional air tire. The 250W motor provides high torque but maintains a low power consumption. The e-scooter reaches a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and can handle up to 220 pounds. This new and improved motor will make your riding faster, safer, and quieter. The e-scooter can fold down to 43.7 inch by 17.3 inch by 16.1 inch, making it easy to store in a car, the school, or the office. It only weighs 27 pounds, very lightweight and portable, so even girls can easily carry it up and down the stairs. Number 3. CUNFON Electric Scooter. Equipped with 1000W peak motor, up to top speed of 25 miles per hour, making it easy to climb slopes of 15 to 20 degrees. Features a 624WH battery, with a range of up to 25 to 35 miles. It can be safely charged from 0 to 100% in just 6 to 8 hours, reducing your wait time and maximizing your ride time. With CUNFON C+ ride technology and ergonomic design elements, the scooter boasts a spacious footboard and curved handlebars to ensure a smooth ride. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned riders, you'll find it easy to handle. C-type spring suspension system with tubeless road tires that effortlessly tackles various road surfaces and delivers a stable riding experience. Fitted with 9.5-inch 9mm thickened tubeless rubber road tires, enhances stability and provides excellent shock absorption, reducing vibrations and maintaining optimal grip on various surfaces. CUNFON RS500 electric scooter features an upgraded dual braking system with square brake pads that increase the friction area, ensuring low noise braking even at high speeds. Number 4. OOTD T10 Electric Scooter. Meet the OOTD T10 scooter for adults, your reliable partner for urban commutes, weekend explorations, and daily adventures. Designed for adults seeking both power and practicality, this electric scooter delivers true 46 miles range per charge thanks to its high-quality 48V18Ah battery system, offering exceptional value for money without compromise. T10 scooter electric navigate diverse surfaces with confidence using 11-inch semi-off-road tires and dual shock absorbers. Two oversized LED headlights provide exceptional illumination, while the integrated rear light combines brake and turn signal functions for 360 degrees visibility. Paired with powerful dual disc brakes, your safety is ensured in all conditions. Experience responsive acceleration and reliable torque from the smooth 900W brushless motor. Engineered to handle urban gradients with ease, this scooter masters slopes up to 35 degrees while maintaining energy efficiency. No complicated apps needed, just pure, straightforward riding enjoyment. Tailor every ride to your needs with 3 selectable speed settings: gentle 15.5 miles per hour for safety zones, balanced 21.5 miles per hour for shared paths, and efficient 34 miles per hour for open roads. The large, clear LED display keeps all essential information visible at a glance, ensuring you stay fully informed and in control while focusing on the journey ahead. Number 5. Sttkle J11 Electric Scooter. J11 commuter scooter for adults, your ideal companion for commuting, grocery runs, off-road adventures, and short trips. With a robust 48V18Ah battery, this scooter boasts an impressive 37 miles cruising range, making it a cost-effective choice for your daily travels. The J11 adult electric scooter has been upgraded with 3 riding speeds: ECO, 18 miles per hour, STD, 25 miles per hour, and Turbo, 34 miles per hour, to match your ride style. The new color LCD display offers better visibility than the previous Wi-Fi screen, making it easier to check your speed, battery, and mode at a glance. It ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, delivers high torque with low power consumption, reaching a top speed of 34 miles per hour and conquering slopes of up to 30 to 35 degrees. Customize your riding experience through the Mini Robot app, where you can set the top speed and lock your e-scooter for adults securely. The 11-inch off-road pneumatic tires are designed to tackle various terrains, from city streets to dirt paths. Paired with front and rear dual shock absorbers, the J11 guarantees an excellent riding experience, especially for suburban commuting. Because we prioritize quality and technical excellence in every electric scooter we produce. With our one-piece pre-installation design, you won't need to assemble anything upon receiving your J11. Plus, we offer a 360-day or 180-day warranty on different parts. Get in touch with us for fast and professional service. Your satisfaction is our priority.